So eating, chopping, fishing, dancing, doodling, chickensing, numbing, warning, chasing, singing, comping, limbing, peeing, thing, calling, yawling, gum chewing, foot chewing, standing, sapping, playing, talking, calling, cupping, duckling, walking, sorting, laughing, canning, shouting, getting, mumming, anning, banning, fanning, panning, looking, paperling, counting, casting, nodding, gagging, seizing, roofing, canning, panning, awing, sulking, daring, mourning, clearing, manning, comping, ragging, hating, bearing, galling, taming, doting, trilling, blinking, writing, saying, sharing, planning, and diving.